Hi, and welcome back to Miss P Tutorials. Today, I'm sharing 5 powerful AI tools that are completely free and super useful in 2025. Let's get started. First up is ChatGPT. It helps you write emails, summarize long text, generate ideas, or even answer school questions. There's a free version you can use on chat.openai.com. It's like having a smart assistant 24/7. Next is Canva Magic Studio. It lets you remove backgrounds, generate images, and even write content using AI. Perfect for social media, school, or business designs. Just go to canva.com and try the free features. Google Gemini is a newer AI tool by Google. It can explain anything, write messages, and help with research. You can try it for free at gemini.google.com. If you're a content creator, you'll love Pictory. It turns your text or blog into a video with voiceover, images, and music. You can try it for free and create short videos in minutes. Visit Pictory.ai. Last but not least, Remove.bg. This free AI tool removes image backgrounds instantly. Just upload a photo and boom! It's fast, free, and perfect for profile pics, thumbnails, or presentations. Which AI tool is your favorite? Comment below and let me know. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Miss P Tutorials for more tech tips every week. Thanks for watching.